Hello, this is Nindy Kerr and welcome to another Nindy's Creative Corner video. Today we will be making an inlaid die cut card, and I will just start by showing you since I don't have a sample yet. Choose a detailed die. You can choose just one. I'm using 3 from the Brilliant Wings die set. And this basic white cardstock is 4 inches by 5 1/4, and it will be our card front. And we won't be using these butterflies on this project. And run it backwards for good measure, since these are detailed. Pinch both your things together. Hold on to the small dies because they tend to... Okay, it looks like we got them. Okay, good. Now to scrape all this off, just use a piece of cardstock or something and get it into your trash. And we'll take these butterflies out for use in another project. And we'll need to clean the dies out with our die brush. They always cut much better if there's no cardstock in there. But I always forget to do it when I'm ready to die cut, so I'm doing it now. Okay, we'll next need to figure out how much adhesive sheet we need, or you can just glue them on. Let me see, I wonder if it'll work better this way. Okay, so we'll just need a 4-inch square, it looks like. Where's my ruler? 4 by 3 3/4. Okay. Yeah, the part that you peel off has the sticky part. Okay, there, now we can cut our butterflies out. Okay, our adhesive sheet is up here at the top. So we'll place our butterflies. I guess I forgot, well, we won't know these are pansies. And yes, it looks like it will cover. Oh, must have forgot to clean that out. And we'll just die cut. And since this, well, we'll see how it feels. Since the adhesive sheet makes it thicker. Okay, we did not get our butterfly antenna cut out, so we'll flip it over, make sure it's all lined up again. And it looks like we got them. And I found a little toothpick, and we'll use that to remove the die cut. And don't worry about the adhesive sheet yet. Or getting out the little pieces. There we go. Just make sure the adhesive sheet stays on the die cut. Okay, I brought a couple of sheets of cardstock. I guess I only brought fresh freesia. Anyway, we'll stick it under there and see how we like it. I think I like the pattern paper. So luckily I have another 4-inch. So we'll just cut this at 5 1/4. Yeah, a little less than 5 1/4. We'll do 5 1/8. Okay, first we will glue our designer series paper or whatever underlay color you want, and you can just use your card base if you want, but I didn't want to. And make sure your butterflies are going the correct direction. Now, my tip if I get the correct butterfly. Okay, I think this is the way it will work. And we will just put some glue around the edges of the butterfly. Technically, I guess you could use an adhesive sheet for this too if you wanted. Then we'll go around the outside edges. And remember, only thin lines so it doesn't smush out. Then we'll just lay this down and kind of center it and make sure everything is covered. Let me move it up a bit. And then we'll go ahead and glue it to our card base. Guess we should check and make sure none is sticking out. Now make sure the fold, okay, good. Okay, now the fun part. Just peel off the adhesive. Looks like I missed a part. And then just separate it. Okay, now we'll center it. I like to start at the bottom. Make sure the pieces fit in properly, and then just fit them in so that they're flat with the cardstock. Then again, match it up at the bottom. Note to self, put the pattern paper side up so I don't lose it. So I guess with the little one, do the sides. So here's our inlaid die cut card. I will probably bling it up after I stop the video and post a picture of it. So thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my newsletter, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little bell so you receive notifications when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.